Hi guys, welcome back to Creating with Mimi. Today's video is all about glamour, style, and spaciousness. Absolutely love it. This is a model home with Toll Brothers, and I can't wait to walk you guys through and show you this gorgeous, spectacular home. The entryway starts off with 24-foot ceiling, and it is expansive. It takes you straight to the great room, and you're greeted with this gorgeous table and the comfortable chairs. They're low back, but they are super comfortable, so you can sit, enjoy the views for hours. The family room is super spacious, storage, and they've dropped in a window behind the storage to keep the light coming through. In the fireplace area, they've cladded it with a textured tile and just kept the lines modern but simplistic. The entire great room is situated for you to get great lighting and constantly look outside in the views. Who would want to go to work if you lived in a place like this? Absolutely gorgeous. I love the fact that they've dropped 3 chandeliers over the eating area, created contrast in the ceiling by having a different color wood on the ceiling. Absolutely gorgeous. This kitchen is not to disappoint. A chef's kitchen, overall space for entertaining, prepping, and eat-in kitchen. The island is about 7 feet by 12 feet. Waterfall countertops, actual marble countertops. Enormous amount of storage and space. Under cabinet lighting, over cabinet lighting, and you have a pantry prep area just off from the kitchen. On the first floor, they've also created a suite or a mother-in-law suite or a college student suite. But what I love about own kitchen inside of this place, a small kitchen. You have your ensuite bathroom and a living room. You also have an exterior door where you can enter or exit in that space. It is a large amount of space for you to have a parent to reside, and you're not going to feel crowded. I think this was the best plan that I've seen for an in-law suite that made it seem inclusive but private. Upstairs, at the top of the stairs, another area for teens to computer room, study, entertainment with a television. It's just a private area for them to relax in. This primary suite is such a large haven, sanctuary, getaway space. I thought it was gorgeous, the amount of space that they've provided for the primary suite. The contrast to the headboard wall with this wood, it mimics the wood that's on the floor, but it gives a different texture and it's a little bit darker. The suite off of the suite, which you could use as a living room, an office, a workout area. It was a very ample size space allocated for the primary suite. In the closet boutique area, I think this one was done right. A lot of space, storage for clothes, drawers for things. The lighting was amazing and it just made you feel like you were on vacation shopping in a boutique store. Toll Brothers got it completely right. They topped everything off with a fabulous outdoor space. This is perfect for California living. If you like this video, guys, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and that way you'll get notified each time a new upload comes up. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for all of those that are following, and make every day a great day.